morning, everybody. This is Dave Fry, ETF Digest with an ETF in focus. Let's take a look at IWM, the small cap ETF. The small cap ETF is the most sensitive to QE one way or another. You can see that on this daily chart today, we are seeing a slight bump higher, and I expect without any other information coming forth that we'll probably just cruise into the weekend without much change, and everything then will become tense next week, again, barring other news, as we go into the Fed meeting. This chart is annotated, of course, by our proprietary high-low indicators, and you can see the last one we had was all the way back in October, late October, and that called a pretty decent top in the market. And then this here in November on these daily charts called a decent bottom from which we rallied forth. With our MACD histogram moving average, we were able to get out at a decent price. Now we're in kind of no man's land as far as the daily chart is concerned, with these two moving averages and money flow down below, which is negative. With yesterday's sharp decline to 109.5, you can see that this low here in November 20th was also at around 109.5. So this is kind of a support level, and we see us bouncing off that. In terms of setting trends, it's more useful, in my opinion, to look at the weekly charts. And with weekly charts, you see trends developing even though they move around the 10-period weekly moving average. Now, the important thing here, for example, with this last high, is that the high that's been posted is not greater than this number, which was 4 periods back. And as such, it's not a perfected HI. So nevertheless, the trend is in place, and now we're seeing this reaction as it breaks the 10-period moving average. You can see the MACD histogram turning over, and once again, we are breaking that 10-period moving average, which we've seen on numerous occasions, and the market has bounced right back from that. So now we don't have a position in IWM, but you can see that we have a Fed meeting on Wednesday, and that will set the tone through the holidays as to how this hypersensitive to QE IWM will perform going forward. We have no position in this, and if you're interested in this or other ETFs we cover in this manner, you may take a free trial at the etfdigest.com. Thank you. Have a good day.